Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So student, today date is 12 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20 and name of the chapter is our messages. Our messages. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercises of the chapter, that is question number A, tick the correct option. Question number B, write true or false, and question number C, fill in the blanks. Now today student, let's start with the short answers question. Note down the question from the board. Take out your book, open page number 118 and start writing the question answer in your classwork copy. Question number E. Question number E. Give short answers. So student, question number 1 is, what is communication? What is communication? So student, question number 1 is, what is communication? So student, communication is the process by which, or by you can say, is a process through which people exchange message, thoughts, information and idea with each other. So what is a communication student? Communication is a process through which people exchange their thoughts, informations and ideas with each other. See student, when we are talking with one another, so that is also the method by which we communicate with each other. But student, all the times we are not together. ठीक है, जैसे हम आपस में एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, ठीक है, अपने थॉट्स या अपनी बातें दूसरे से शेयर करते हैं, अपने आइडियाज शेयर करते हैं। इन द सेम मैनर स्टूडेंट ऑल द टाइम वी आर नॉट टुगेदर। सो व्हाट आर द methods by which we are in touch with other people? So what are the means of communication by which we are in touch with our family members, you can also say, our friends and relative? So what is communication, that I have already explained you, and there are different ways how we communicate with each other. For example, if we are talking about communication, then it is divided into two parts, that is personal mean of communication and mass communication. So student, when we are talking about the personal mean of communication, it means by writing the letter, okay, by writing the letter, or even we can talk on the telephone or mobile phones. We can also use computer, tablets for doing chatting with our friends and relatives. So these are the different means of personal communication by which we can communicate with our family members also, friends also, and relatives also. So note down the answer. Communication is a process communication is a process communication is a process through which through which communication is a process through which people exchange exchange thoughts, information, and idea with each other. So student, communication is a process. Communication is a process through which people exchange thoughts, information, and idea with each other. So note down the answer, and even you can take the screenshot of the answer also. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is the advantage of a fax machine? What is the advantage of a fax machine? So student, what is the advantage of a fax machine? So fax machine is also known as fax smile, and the advantage of the fax machine is that, student, it is the fastest mean of communication. Fax machine, it is the fastest mean of communication, and these fax machines are attached to the telephones, and you can get the handwritten or typed message with the help of a fax machine. Is it clear? Fax machine, you so student, fax machine is the fastest mean of communication. If you want to send the fax to another person, so whether it is a handwritten message or typed message, you can send to that person immediately, and fax machine is connected to the telephone, and in this way you get the message very fast. So note down, fax stands for fax smile, fax stands for fax smile, and it is one one of the fast mean of communication. Means of communication. Fax stands for fax smile, and it is one of the fast means of communication. Question number 3. Name any three personal means of communication in our country. Okay, name any three personal means name any three personal means of communication name any three personal means of communication in our country. So three personal mean of communication, that is mobile phone, telephone, letters, postcards. So these are the personal means of communication. So note down the answer. Three personal means of communication in our country are letters, email, and telephone. So student, three personal means of communication in our country are letters, telephone, email. Mobile phone is also a personal mean of communication. Okay, so if you want to write mobile phone, if you write in the exam mobile phone also, then also this is a right answer. Is it clear? Now short answer question we have completed. Now student, let's start with the long answer question. Give detailed answer. Question number F. Give detailed First question is, give detailed answer. First question is, what are the uses of the internet? What are the uses of the internet? What are the uses of internet? So student, what are the uses of a internet? So there is, with the help of internet facilities, many things are possible. ठीक है, with the help of this facility, that is internet, many things are possible. So due to internet connection, you are able to send messages by your email also, WhatsApp also. There are many sites through which you can send the message, and this is also known as the fastest mean of communication. This is also known as the fastest mean of communication, because see, all the computers of the world are connected to each other through the internet. जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स हैं, टैबलेट्स हैं, लैपटॉप्स हैं, हाउ दे ऑल आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर with the help of internet facilities. Okay, so with the help of internet facilities, another, the most important thing is that about the internet is that you can, due to the internet, we can read e-book, news, magazines, which are available in the digital form on internet. See, you will see the newspaper or magazines or your studies books in a printed, what we say, newspaper, magazines and books, print media. But these things are also available in the digital form on internet. In our school library also, student, this facility is available. If you want to study any book, you can read this book in digital form. And student, if anything you want to note down from that books, or maybe the explanation of some chapter is given very good in that books, so even you can take the print out also. आप उसका प्रिंट आउट भी ले सकते हो. ऐसे मान लो बहुत सी बुक्स होती हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट पब्लिशर्स की मार्केट में बहुत सी बुक होती हैं. सो टू सेव द मनी आल्सो, द बुक इज अवेलेबल देयर, you study. And if you also want to take the print out, आप वहां से स्टडी कर सकते हो. और आप अगर प्रिंट आउट लेना भी चाहते हो तो वो भी आप प्रिंट आउट भी ले सकते हो. दिस सेव योर मनी आल्सो. ठीक है. सो these days, email, chatting and even educational sites are also available. So how all these sites are running, these sites are running due to the internet facility. आपका मोबाइल ही है या कंप्यूटर है, आप कोई भी चीज़ पढ़ना भी चाहते हो एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, यू वांट टू स्टडी, और फॉर एग्जांपल आप कभी होता है कि स्पोर्ट्स चैनल आप देख रहे हो या यू वांट टू डाउनलोड एनी मूवी, सो हाउ ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर पॉसिबल, all these things are possible due to the internet. Without internet you cannot download the things from the computer, laptop or mobile. So any type of a information, any type of a study material, many times it happened that you are unable to understand any topic or you are unable to find the, you are searching the words, so with the help of internet facility, with the help of internet facility these things are easily available in the computer, and it only works, computers only work due to the internet connection. Okay, note down the answer. We can do many things, we can do many things through the internet. We can do many things through the internet. We can send message, we can send messages by, you can write in the shortcut in the bracket by email. Second, we can read e-book, news, magazines, which are available in the digital form, on internet. So student, we can read a book, news magazine which are available in the digital form on internet. So thank you student.